Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring the Shear Strain Interactive Calculator, a powerful tool that solves one of the fundamental problems in materials engineering, determining how materials deform under shear forces. Whether you're analyzing structural components, designing mechanical systems, or evaluating material properties, this calculator streamlines the complex relationships between displacement, strain, stress, and material modulus. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see Select Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate shear strain from displacement, calculate shear strain from shear angle, calculate displacement from shear strain, calculate shear strain from shear stress, calculate shear stress from shear strain, and calculate shear modulus from stress and strain. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate shear strain from displacement. Below that, you'll find the input fields: lateral displacement in millimeters, original height in millimeters, shear angle in degrees, shear strain, which is dimensionless, shear stress in megapascals, and shear modulus in gigapascals. Depending on your calculation mode, only the relevant fields will be active. Let's work through a real example. Imagine we're analyzing a rubber mounting pad that experiences a lateral displacement of 2.5 millimeters with an original height of 20 millimeters. I'll enter 2.5 in the lateral displacement field and 20 in the original height field. After clicking Calculate, the results section shows shear strain of 0.125. This output value of 0.125 represents the dimensionless ratio of deformation. In practice, this means the material has undergone 12.5% shear deformation, which helps us assess whether we're within safe operating limits. Remember, always verify your units match the calculator's requirements. Mixing millimeters with meters is a common error that leads to incorrect results. Find the link in the description below.